Have you seen those viral POV videos on YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and TikTok? Faceless channels are pulling in millions of views by captivating these POV clips and going viral. History has always been a window into the past, but what if you could step through that window and experience it firsthand? What if you could bring the past to life in a way that's never been done before? Welcome to the world of AI-powered POV historical videos, a groundbreaking niche that's set to dominate content creation in 2025. This isn't just about retelling history, it's about immersing your audience in it. From the battlefields of ancient Rome to the courts of Renaissance Europe, AI is revolutionizing how we create and consume historical content. In this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know to master this emerging trend. We'll explore the tools, techniques, and strategies to create stunning AI-generated historical videos that captivate your audience and set your channel apart. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, this is your chance to tap into a niche that's fresh, exciting, and full of potential. Here's why this niche is exploding. Audiences are craving immersive, interactive content, and AI technology is now advanced enough to deliver it. With tools like AI-generated visuals, voice synthesis, and deep learning algorithms, you can create historically accurate, visually stunning POV experiences that feel real. And the best part? This niche is still in its infancy, which means there's huge room for growth and innovation. So, if you're ready to take your content to the next level and be a pioneer in this exciting new niche, you're in the right place. Hit that like button and subscribe. Let's dive right in the future of historical POV videos and unlock the secret to your next viral hit. Let's move into the first step. Open ChatGPT. Now I'm asking ChatGPT to create some POV historical AI videos ideas. Write some AI videos ideas in POV style, considering historical events. Click on Generate. This will give you shocking POV historical ideas in just a few seconds. Now you have to read all these ideas carefully. After that, copy the idea which you like the most. Now copy that idea and paste in the box. Now I will ask to create a POV scenario. Give me scenario of this POV style video idea. And please make sure start from woke up in bed. Now click on Generate. Now I'm asking ChatGPT to create image prompts from this story. Now convert this story into 24 first-person perspective image prompts. And please don't forget to write first-person perspective in every prompt. Now click on Generate. ChatGPT will give you magical prompts in seconds. Now go to the Leonardo AI to image generation. Now copy your first prompt and paste in this box. Now select the settings, select Phoenix 1.0 to generate ultra-realistic images. Here you have to keep dynamic only and also select the dimensions. Here I select this. Now go to the back and click on Create. Now download the image which is the perfect one for your video creation. Now copy your second prompt and paste into it. Now click on Create. Now you have to copy your all prompts one by one and paste in this box. After this, go to Video Generation Process. Open Hailuo AI now. Click on Quick Create. Now upload your image and describe your image in this box. Now click on this. In few seconds, your image convert into a realistic POV video. Now upload your second image. And click on Create. Now repeat the process for your all images to convert in POV videos. Now you can see the final results. I created these POV historical videos with Hailuo AI. Now final process is remaining. Open CapCut and import your all videos here one by one. Now adjust your videos and add voices according to your creation. And you can also adjust your videos for better quality Apply these all settings one by one in your videos. After these all processes, export your video. Now you can see final result here. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to creating next-level POV-style videos in 2025. Whether you're using a GoPro, a smartphone, or even a computer, the key is POV historical videos, smooth transitions, and making your audience feel like they're right there with you. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest struggle with POV videos? Or let me know what crazy AI videos concept you want to see next. And hey, if you got value from this, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the latest trends in content creation.